Audi Q7 2024. Welcome, dear viewers, to a thrilling journey into the future of automotive excellence. Today, we unravel the mystery that shrouds the all-new Audi Q7 2024, a masterpiece of innovation and luxury. This captivating adventure will leave you breathless as we delve into the depths of this sleek and sophisticated SUV, uncovering its secrets and revealing what makes it a standout in the world of automobiles. Before moving forward, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button if you are interested in these types of videos in the near future. Sleek design, a glimmer of elegance. Imagine yourself standing at the threshold of the future, eyes fixed on the Audi Q7 2024. The exterior design of this vehicle is a sight to behold, a symphony of sleek lines and aerodynamic grace. The body appears as if it's been sculpted by the winds of tomorrow, embracing a fusion of elegance and modernity that whispers secrets of an exciting journey ahead. Whispers of power under the hood mysteries. Beneath the enticing exterior lies a powerful heart, a powerhouse that fuels the mysteries of the Audi Q7 2024. The specifics remain hidden for now, shrouded in secrecy, promising a driving experience that will awaken your senses and leave you craving for more. Power, efficiency, and exhilaration merge in a symphony that only this Audi can compose. Technological marvels, the enigmatic cockpit. Step inside the Q7 2024, and you'll be greeted by a futuristic, enigmatic cockpit. The amalgamation of cutting-edge technology and luxurious comfort creates an atmosphere that is sure to captivate. Control panels and displays beckon, promising an experience beyond the ordinary. But what lies behind this technology? Only time will reveal the full scope of its capabilities. The whispered comfort, a luxurious haven. Sink into the plush seats, adorned with sumptuous materials, and let the whispers of comfort embrace you. The Audi Q7 2024 promises an opulent sanctuary, where every journey is a pampering experience. A promise of luxurious comfort that leaves us yearning for more details, tantalizingly out of reach. Safety secrets guarding the journey. In the mysterious tapestry of the Audi Q7 2024, safety is woven as an essential thread. The latest safety features and advanced technologies come together to create a shield of protection for all passengers. But what exactly are these features? Only time will unfold the secrets, ensuring a secure voyage for all who dare to step inside. Unveiling the enigma future awaits. As we conclude our expedition into the enigmatic world of the Audi Q7 2024, one thing is certain: this is a glimpse into the future of automotive luxury and performance. The secrets we've uncovered merely scratch the surface, leaving us hungry for more, eagerly anticipating the day when this marvel graces the roads in our lives. The Audi Q7 2024 is more than just a car. It's a symbol of the future, a tantalizing enigma that beckons us to embark on a journey into the unknown. The blend of design, power, technology, comfort, and safety presents an enticing narrative that leaves us intrigued and craving for the day when the secrets are fully unveiled. So, dear viewers, keep your eyes peeled, for the day of revelation is on the horizon. The Audi Q7 2024 is poised to redefine our understanding of automotive excellence. And when that moment arrives, we will be ready to embrace the future with open arms. Until then, stay curious, stay intrigued, and stay tuned, for the best is yet to come. Thank you for joining us on this mysterious journey into the world of the Audi Q7 2024. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future interesting videos. Thanks for watching.